A big good morning from Jobe's hometown. We get a sip of this warm coffee. Ah, yeah, there we go. All right, buddy, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to Jobe's hometown. And it's a good morning from Jobe's hometown. Out here working, doing some fun stuff. Finishing this tea bucket finally. We're cutting sheet metal. Yes, finally. Let me show you, let me tune you guys in on some detail, because I've been out here pushing. I just been out here doing work. You know, it's one of them, you know, just get to it, because I've got a bunch of stuff going. I've been working my butt off trying to earn stuff, you know, trying to earn money to pay for stuff. But I've also got a bunch of other stuff to do, and I just need to get to it. So, yeah, let's get some of this caffeine brewing and get to it. We got work to do. Over here. Yeah, sheet metal, floor pan. Let me show you guys where it's going to go. And also, before that goes in, let me show you what else we got done. It's good. Okay, so since we finally had some parts show up, yeah, this is just my tray sitting here for right now. I've been out here making moves because I got some parts. Let's do this. Yeah, sorry it's a little dark down there. Let me just show you guys here. It's just effortless to move around now. I got the belt pulled off my belt drive. You know, when I put the belt on there, you know, that's what loads up my engine. So right now it's in neutral, you know, with the belt popped off, you know, because the chain is a, you know, it's a live axle. It's always going. So, yeah. And really what I wanted to show you guys is down here. We now have, let me see if I can get you guys tuned in there at the light. We now have a pedal assembly. We now have a gas pedal. It's only pulling a little bit because it's hitting my dashboard right now, which should be about right there. But I got my body tub pulled off. It's back here. Oh yeah, nurse. Oh yeah. That's a next work session is right here. So this may be a whole. Once again, you guys might get a back-to-back vid because it's first thing in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go do work on this too. Because yeah, we might be going somewhere today. And really, I just want to get all this finished up because, yeah, I got a bunch of work to do over here now. Because, yeah, Harley needs full rest, though. I need my workbench all cleaned off and back so I can do, yeah, this needs to come apart totally. So, let me get all the parts back on here, get everybody back together. And I'm so happy now because I'm only, like, one part away. I mean, these are just some of the parts I might use. These are some cool pieces that have some... And I was kind of thinking, you know, like, maybe down in there, kind of show you guys, kind of like that, you know, kind of style it up a little bit, you know, make it look cool, possibly. Those are just some old chopper parts that I had. And that's my exhaust bracket that goes up there, and just those are the pieces I cut off the back that I was maybe going to use, but I ended up doing the brakes like that. So, yeah, and what I'm waiting on now, the one part... I'm just waiting on my cable adapter to be able to go from here to hook onto my brake pedal. So when I get that cable is going to be able to attach onto there. And I may actually use like a pivot arrangement so that this pivot will weld onto the frame. The rod up here will attach to the pedal. so it can be moved down and I don't have the cable coming up through my floorboard, and then the cable will attach down here and come off the back. So that's a possibility. I think that's an old, might be a Suzuki foot control part. You know, that's just a bolt in there, but that's an old shifter mount. So yeah, so I just got to get the brake pedal hooked up, then we can pull our braking assembly, and then we're going to be good to go, and I can get my fuel line hooked up. We can get this thing running. This was just to get everything to the point to where I can actually weld this frame, because this frame has not been welded yet. You know, it's all been just tacked together and put in place, and some of it's still kind of hanging over that way, because I may make another bridge that goes over my chain, because I'm going to put some more steel over here once I get it. I just don't have it. I ran out of the smaller steel, so when I get some more of this, which my buddy has at his yard, I'm gonna go get some more of this, build my floor pan, or build my mounts for my floor pan over there, and then be able to put my, let's see if this fits. I've been doing some trimming with my monster shears over there. Oh, oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, yeah. So one sec here, let me get this put back on here, and I want to see this thing outside once again. So yeah, one sec here. Whoop-ow, whoop-ow. I wanted to get in and test my pedals. That works great. My brake pedal's going to be right here. Gas pedal right here. Just waiting to get that linkage to get it hooked up. Can you believe it, guys? Some old junk parts. An old lawnmower engine that's been turned into a Raptor that's now fully built with a turbocharger. That's going to have a big old gas tank so we can cruise wherever. Steering works great. Brakes are going to work real good with the rear end. That's pretty much a little bit of testing there, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work good. You know, it's all golf cart stuff, so they work great. So I think we're going to be okay. Yeah. I'm in love with my new T-bucket, there's no doubt. I've always wanted a real T-bucket. I've built a bunch. I used to weld T-bucket frames for a living. Never could afford one myself. I got one now. We're good. Oh, it's so good. As usual, thanks for watching, guys. Way more to come. Like, share, and subscribe. Now we can finally get this thing torn apart and finished welded, then we can actually finish it. Oh, we're so close now. A couple hours of welding, we're going to be bolting this thing back together, and we're going to be right. Sun's coming up. I need to get to work and get this drag bike rolling because it needs to get on the trailer so we can go over to the racetrack. Thanks for watching, guys. Way more to come. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's get a bunch of views here because we're going to the racetrack. We're going to try and go fast, and if not, there's going to be a bunch of cool stuff to see because here it comes. Bunch of views, guys. Bunch of shares. Bunch of likes. Let's ride. What the hell?
Bye.